And this is all I need to do to make a card. I can type in the details of the party, but I can also just click on anything and, zoom it up and, pan it around and get it just right if I want to. Whatever I'd like. Very easy to do. And that's how simple it is, to make a card. I can change the background of the card if I want to, different colors and things like that. Maybe I want to go with this one. And I can change it to different themes as well. I can say, let's make a card. Maybe I want one like this. So it's really, really easy to go ahead and select these things. Now, let's go back to the library here. Let's say, let's go select an album here, and let's make a calendar. I just push calendar down here, and I've got a bunch of themes for my calendars. I'm going to pick the one that says big date so we can all see the dates on it. And I can set this to start in any month. I can have a calendar be more than 12 months if I'd like. I can show national holidays from a bunch of countries. I'll pick the United States. I can import iCal calendars, show birthdays from address book, whatever I want. And so here it's going to go ahead and make me a calendar. And I can place all the pictures manually if I want, or I can just auto-flow it, and it'll do it for me. And it's made, made all these pictures. I can go to this one and say, I really want more. Maybe I'll put 3 pictures on this page, and maybe I'll go pick up a few extra pictures and, just put them right up here. I can also put, pictures on any date just by dropping them down here and like this. And you can just, again, you can go see these. They're really nice, really high quality. And they're just gorgeous. So this is how we do calendars and cards. Now I'd like to show you photo casting. So I've got an album here that's called Photos for Grandma. And this is where I'm going to just drop photos in that, I want to show up on Grandma's computer. Excuse me. So all I have to do is click this photocast button here. And I can decide the quality. I can say actual size or pick some smaller qualities. I'll just pick actual size. I can decide whether I want to automatically update them whenever I change the album. Well, I do. And I can decide whether I want to require a name and password to subscribe. I don't. And I just say I publish these. And so it's going to just upload them to .mac. It just did that. And it says, would I like to announce my photocast? And I say, sure. And so I'm going to say, Grandma Taylor, send her an email, and boom, right? So I've sent an email to Grandma Taylor. Well, let's use fast user switching and pretend I'm Grandma Taylor. And here's Grandma's system over here, and we're going to pretend she just got this email here. This is what it looked like. And all Grandma Taylor has to do is click on this, and boom, it launches iPhoto, puts the subscribed album right here, and puts the photos in it. Now, what is so great about this is that you can take one of these things, and again, you can do anything with it. Let's go make that card again. Boom. I can make a card with one of these things. I can do anything I would normally do with my own photo album. Now let's go back. So I'm going to go back to my album, Photos for Grandma, and let's say I'm going to delete a bunch of them. I'm going to delete these, and let's say we got a new puppy. And so I'm going to take these 3 photos here of our new puppy, and I'm going to drag them into my album, which is Photocast, here. And it will automatically upload them. And I'll go back to Grandma Taylor. And this could be, again, set to check, hourly, daily, weekly, or manually. I just clicked it to check manually. It just checked, completely updated. And again, I can do whatever I want with these photos. So it's very, very easy. And here we have photocasting. So that is what I want to show you on iPhoto. Pretty cool. So these are the biggest features, and we think iPhoto is just a phenomenal new release. Next up is iMovie. Now, iMovie last year we added HD. And boy, was that the right thing to do, because the cost of HD cameras has really come down. You can get an HD camera now for under $1,600, and they're continuing to drop. And this is great. So you can actually edit HD right in iMovie. For this year, we're adding something called animated themes. And rather than try to tell you about it, I just want to show it to you. It's remarkable. Real-time effects and titles, some new audio tools, some new sound effects. You can have more than one open project at once, which has been a huge request in iMovie. To export to iPod, it's one command now. It'll go ahead and compress it and put it in the exact format to export your movie to put right on your iPod. And you can create video podcasts, do the same thing right in iMovie, and just say, make this a video podcast. So I want to show you these animated themes. So let's go over here, and we'll go ahead and put away iPhoto. And we'll go ahead and bring up iMovie. And let me show you these themes, first of all. These are pretty remarkable. So as an example, here's one of them. And all I do is I have these drop zones. So I load my photo or movie into it, and it will composite this on top. I can change all the text and everything else. Here's another one. And again, you'll see these in the movie, but that would be my photo or my movie on top of this bench. Here's another one. I drop my photos in. It'll crinkle them and unfold them right on this paper. Here's another one. And all these pieces to the motion theme that are going to be my content animated in a wonderful way. So let's go see what a movie could actually look like then.